Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing. If you have Tesla car, so this video is very important for you no matter which types of model you are using, X, Y, S and Model 3. Currently, I have in Model 3. If you want purchase new Tesla car, please use my referral link. Link is available on video description. So today I am purchasing one of the best accessories coming from Yeslak. Yeslak is platform. Using this platform, you should purchase outstanding and many products they are selling. So one of them I am purchasing. This one is a floor mat. We will see unboxing. Before unboxing, I will show you how many products the Yeslak platform are providing you. This is a yeslak.com. Link is already available on video description. How many brand, how many cars related product they are selling. Newest model Y item, model 3 like year wise model 3 they distributing yes X and latest new in Cybertruck. If you see here the Y model, the same product they are selling Cybertruck model 3 yes and X as well. So you just consider here the all models product they are selling, which product you want purchase. Accordingly you should decide and then purchase this product. Is very affordable and services available entire the world. Now I will do the unboxing of the product and then we can go outside in my car. Services is very fast. Just yesterday I ordered this one and today I am receiving this product. Look at this here especially. So here two types of features available. You can use without this one also, but they are providing the cushions as well. It's really nice. Yeah, the same things they're providing both side. So yeah, its quality is very nice. Now box is empty. This is the middle one. I am very happy about this one. This one is a backside trunk. Amazing quality of the product. And last one, backside trunk is available, and this one is a front trunk. So you should use this one front trunk, and backside one small trunk is also available. So you should use this one. The product comes in Model 3. Everywhere are mentioning. Look at this here, Model 3, Model 3. Now we can fix this product on my Tesla car. Let's go outside. This is my stuff and there is my Tesla car. First of all, I return this car from this position and then we can fix this one. So first of all, I open my car and look at this here. Previously I am not using super quality product. That point of view I am purchasing this new one. First of all, we fix here in the first one. Installation, it's very easy like this. Even the quality and finishing is fabulous. Look at this here. Now we can fix here the driver side. Look at this. In this position it's really nice. Previously I am not using super quality, but this one is really nice. I fix here. It's very nice and amazing quality, especially of the carpet of this one. If something is dirty, so you can remove this one and do like this. It's very nice quality, especially the carpet, and the finishing look like this. Entire portions they can fix very nicely. Now fix here backside. First of all, I will show you without the floor mat. I just use here this simple floor mat, and this floor mat comes with the car. That point of view I order new one and fix this one. After fixing, we can see how exactly look like. This one here, it's really nice, very lightweight and easy to fix. With this car seat, same as it is If this is a dirty, you can remove the carpet and then clean easily. That one is really nice, amazing quality, and look like very rich after finishing. It's impressive. Now remaining part come to fix here in the trunk, backside trunk. And last 2 year I'm using like a same without any safety features, so that's why I'm purchasing the new product. Even one more thing, here is a little trunk is also available. The model 3 and Y is the same. Inside this trunk we can fix one of the small one. How exactly look like after fix this one? So this position look like this. This is a perfect position to fix the small trunk, and after that you can put it here your stuff like this and fix. Now I will fix here big one. This is a big and new one, so always Tesla in the exit position. Let's see, yeah, perfect. Now perfectly fixed. The finishing is very nice here. We can close here. Last, just put it in the front one. So we come here in the front size. Firstly I open this one. First of all, the charging adapter, I keep it here. This is our product, so I just put it here. It's very easy to fix, and look at this, the premium quality of all the products. And that's it. If you have Tesla car, so you should purchase both of the floor mat. Link is available on video description. This video is help for you to find out very easily in floor mat, especially on Tesla car. So please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks.